As a homeowner in Rockford, it's important to prioritize both comfort and cost-effectiveness when making home improvement decisions. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make is to replace your old windows with energy-efficient windows. These windows offer a range of benefits that go beyond just aesthetic appeal. They can drastically improve your home's energy efficiency, lower your utility bills, and make your home more comfortable year-round. In a climate like Rockford's, where winters can be bitterly cold and summers are often hot and humid, investing in energy-efficient windows is more than just a trend, it's a necessity. In this article, we'll explore why energy-efficient windows are essential for Rockford homes and how they can benefit homeowners by improving comfort, savings, and sustainability. Better insulation for year-round comfort. One of the main reasons energy-efficient windows are so important in Rockford is their ability to provide superior insulation. During the cold winter months, old, inefficient windows can let a significant amount of heat escape from your home, forcing your heating system to work overtime. Similarly, in the hot summer months, heat gain through poorly insulated windows can make your air conditioner work harder to keep your home cool. Energy-efficient windows are designed with insulating materials, such as double or triple pane glass and argon gas between the panes, which reduces heat transfer. These advanced features prevent heat from entering your home in the summer and keep it inside during winter, improving comfort and maintaining a consistent indoor temperature all year round. By investing in energy-efficient windows, you can avoid drastic temperature fluctuations inside your home and enjoy more consistent comfort throughout the seasons. Lower energy bills. Perhaps the most immediate benefit of installing energy-efficient windows is the reduction in energy bills. When your windows are energy efficient, your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This translates directly into lower utility costs because your HVAC system will use less energy to heat or cool your home. In fact, studies have shown that energy-efficient windows can save homeowners up to 30% on their energy bills over time. While there is an initial investment involved in replacing your windows, the long-term savings on energy costs will quickly offset the cost of installation, making it a smart financial decision in the long run. Reduced drafts and air leaks. In many homes, especially older homes in Rockford, drafts and air leaks around windows are a significant problem. These drafts make it difficult to keep your home at a comfortable temperature and often result in higher energy usage. Energy-efficient windows are designed with tight-fitting seals and advanced weather stripping, which minimize air leakage and prevent drafts. By eliminating air leaks around your windows, you'll notice a more consistent temperature throughout your home. No more feeling cold near windows in the winter or experiencing hot spots during the summer. This not only improves your comfort but also reduces your reliance on your HVAC system, ultimately leading to fewer energy costs. Protection from UV rays. UV rays from the sun can cause serious damage to your furniture, flooring, and artwork over time. Prolonged exposure to sunlight can lead to fading and deterioration of fabrics, wood, and carpets. Energy-efficient windows often come with low E, low emissivity, glass coatings that help to block out harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light to enter your home. These coatings not only protect your possessions from UV damage but also help to improve your home's energy efficiency by reflecting heat away from your home in the summer, keeping your space cooler. Low-E glass allows you to enjoy natural light without the harmful effects of UV radiation, creating a more comfortable living environment. Increased home value and curb appeal. Installing energy-efficient windows is an investment that can increase the value of your Rockford home. Potential buyers are increasingly looking for homes with energy-efficient features, as they know they'll benefit from lower energy costs and a more comfortable living environment. By upgrading your windows, you not only improve the energy efficiency of your home but also increase its overall market appeal. Additionally, modern energy-efficient windows come in a variety of styles and designs, allowing you to choose windows that enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. Whether you prefer the sleek look of casement windows, the classic design of double-hung windows, or the expansive view of picture windows, you can find options that complement your home's style. Environmental impact. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you're also doing your part to reduce your carbon footprint. Homes that use less energy require fewer resources to heat and cool, which helps to decrease overall energy consumption and lower the demand on power plants. This, in turn, helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions and contributes to a healthier, more sustainable environment. In addition, many energy-efficient windows are made with sustainable materials, further reducing their environmental impact. When you install energy-efficient windows in your Rockford home, you're not only saving money, but you're also making a positive impact on the planet. Noise reduction. Another advantage of energy-efficient windows is their ability to reduce outside noise. Many energy-efficient windows are designed with multiple panes of glass and specialized coatings that help block out sound. This can be especially beneficial for homeowners who live near busy streets, highways, or commercial areas in Rockford, where noise can be a constant disturbance. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy a quieter, more peaceful living environment, free from the constant hum of traffic or nearby construction. Conclusion: energy-efficient windows for a comfortable, sustainable home. Energy-efficient windows are an essential upgrade for homeowners in Rockford who want to improve the comfort, efficiency, and value of their homes. From better insulation and lower energy bills to reduced drafts and improved UV protection, these windows offer a wide range of benefits that enhance your home's overall performance. Investing in energy-efficient windows is a smart choice that provides both immediate savings and long-term value, all while helping to reduce your environmental footprint. If you're looking to make your Rockford home more comfortable, energy-efficient, and marketable, energy-efficient windows are the ideal solution.